Happy Monday mga ka-MGR! Anong ulam niyo today? Kami, ang ulam namin ay Hawaiian Shrimp Scampi. How to cook it? First, prepare the shrimp and clean it. Marinate with a seasoning mix and set aside. In a pan, melt butter and fry the minced garlic until toasted. Remove and set aside. Now, fry the shrimp in the same pan, then add back the melted butter garlic, pour in calamansi juice, and let it cook for another minute. And boom! Luto na siya! Just cook the shrimp within 2 to 3 minutes, total cooking time, para hindi siya ma-overcook or maging rubbery in texture. Okay? And then season with parsley. It can be dry or fresh parsley. Try it today, okay? Please see comment box for the recipe link. Happy cooking! Enjoy! Try it, okay? Ang sarap niya!